Dexter, what are you doing? He wants to be in the video. Hi. Hi. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how I turned an old dingy desk into a beautiful farmhouse vanity.
Oh, we're still here, flipping coins about what's to come. It starts getting...
I found this desk on Facebook Marketplace for $10. I'm pretty sure she sold it for that much because of all the paint splatter. That didn't scare me. I was just happy that the entire thing was made out of wood so that I could sand it down and stain it the color that I wanted. Then I just removed all of the old hardware. I definitely considered the hardware that came on the desk, but I just had a different look in mind. So I did sand the top first. Sorry I'm missing the footage from that. I don't know what happened to it. Next, I just wiped down the entire desk with my multi-purpose spray and a wet cloth. I do love all the nicks and scratches in the top of this desk. I really think it adds to the look that I was going for. I used this weathered gray stain for the top.
And you start to doubt. I don't blame you 'cause I feel the same. So why do we hold on? Even if it hurts so, it's breaking us apart.
I did about 3 coats of the stain, and then I went ahead and sanded it down with the 150 grit sandpaper just to smooth things out before I covered it with the polyurethane. Before doing the polyurethane, I went ahead and did my chalk paint on the entire bottom of the desk. I thought this sponge brush would work really well, but I found out that this roller and the paintbrush worked the best. So I got to painting. Here you'll see that I was using the sponge brush at first. Later on I switched to the regular paintbrush and the roller. Then you see that I realized first I should tape off the top where I stained it so I don't get white paint all over my stained top. This was about halfway through painting. I think I had all my coats on here on the drawers, and I still had a few coats in a few areas of the desk left. It took about 4 to 5 coats of paint depending on the area. There was a little bit of bleed through that you can see, but overall I was really happy with the results. After I got all the coats on where I wanted them, I went ahead and took my 150 grit sandpaper. I just wrapped it around this little sandpaper block to use as kind of like a handle, and went ahead and sanded down my drawers and desk. I went a little harder on the edges so that I could get that weathered, distressed look. And I definitely noticed with the chalk paint, getting that distressed look was very easy. And to finish everything off, I covered the chalk paint with 1 coat of the wax and the stain with 1 coat of the polyacrylic. I bought the hardware from Lowe's and it was really inexpensive, and I love, love, love the way this turned out. I think it's so pretty and it was exactly what I was looking for. I also did add this contact paper to line the bottom of the drawer. I wasn't sure if I was going to do it, but I ended up really liking the way it turned out. These are acrylic containers from the dollar store. I love the way I can see through, and I also added a little bit of sticky tack, that tack stuff that you can put like poster boards up on the wall with, onto the bottoms so that they don't slide around on the bottom of the drawer. I'm just so happy with all the space that I gained with this project and love my new vanity. The next project in mind is definitely a vanity chair or stool to fit right there, and possibly a new mirror. I'm not sure. I also wanted to show you just my makeup brush organization. If you want to know how I did this, just let me know in the comments below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I plan on having a few more projects like this in the future. If you want to see more stuff like this, please consider subscribing by clicking that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. I think Dexter wants to say subscribe and like this video because he loves it. What do you think?